For decades, the gold standard for retail data was simple. Run your applications and your business in real time, and then ship all your data out to your analytics platform to gather insights and make decisions. That model still works for reporting, forecasting, and long-term analysis. But today, there's a growing set of use cases like personalization, recommendations, and AI-driven interactions where decisions need to happen in real time. And in those moments, acting on delayed data isn't enough. If you're relying only on insights from a warehouse, you're acting on history, not what's happening now. Today, we're exploring how to complement traditional analytics by enabling real-time AI and decisioning directly on operational data, and why that's becoming critical in a Gen AI-driven world. In retail, every customer interaction creates a signal. A cart addition, a product review, a scan at the register, these aren't just static data points. They are real-time triggers for AI and decisioning. Traditionally, this data is moved from operational systems into analytical platforms through ETL pipelines. That works well for historical analysis like demand forecasting or trend reporting. But what about decisions that need to happen in the moment? The previous approach delivers insight only in hindsight. In a real-time market, making personalization or inventory decisions on last week's data might as well be last century. Let's look at where this approach starts to fall short. Imagine a customer browsing your site right now. They're exploring a category, comparing products, showing clear intent. But your personalization engine is still working on historical data, past purchases, broad customer segments, older behavior. So instead of responding to what the customer is doing right now, it serves recommendations based on what they did before. That gap is where experience breaks, because in real time, relevance has a shelf life of seconds. And when Gen AI systems rely on that same delayed context, they generate responses that feel disconnected from the current moment. This isn't about replacing analytics, it's about recognizing that some decisions simply can't wait for batch processing. So what changes when you bring real-time intelligence closer to your operational data? Well, when operational data and AI-driven decisioning live closer together on a platform like MongoDB, you unlock a new layer of capability. Now you can act on signals as they happen. AI models operate on fresh, contextual data, and decisions can be made in the flow of the customer journey, not after the fact. This doesn't replace your analytical systems, it complements them. Analytics continues to explain what happened, but now you can also influence what happens next. Let's bring this back to retail. A customer moves from search to decision in seconds. That moment is where value is created or lost. Leading retailers combine clickstream activity, shopping carts, and inventory availability to shape the experience in real time. With AI-powered semantic and vector search, customers can search using natural language. If I search for a birthday gift for my 10-year-old niece who loves science, I don't want a generic recommendations based only on my past purchases or customer segment. I want results that reflect what I'm looking for right now. Using AI-powered semantic and vector search, the system understands the intent behind the query, science gift and 10-year-old, and combines it in real-time signals with what I've just browsed, what's currently trending, and what's in stock. So instead of relying on historical snapshots, the system adapts instantly, ranking results based on my current intent and context. The result? Higher engagement and stronger conversion. You're no longer just analyzing behavior, you're responding to it in real time. The key enabler is infrastructure, the ability to support operational workflows and real-time AI together, the way MongoDB does. And whether it's powering recommendations, enabling semantic search, or triggering intelligent workflows, you need a platform that can act on data as it's created. Real-time intelligence is the new baseline. By complementing analytical systems with real-time AI on operational data, you move from simply reporting on the business to actively shaping it. Every signal tells a story. Make sure your data platform is fast enough to listen and act on it. Build on MongoDB and turn real-time signals into real-time outcomes. And if you're ready to take that next step, explore the resources linked in the description and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.